Dahan, a Chinese construction machinery manufacturer, a leader of China's tower crane and construction elevator industry, maintained the top 3 in terms of enterprise scale, sales volume, and market share, focusing on the manufacture and sales of tower cranes and construction elevator series products. Adhere to research and development to create premium products. Dahan insistence on innovation to lead the era and technology to drive the future, technology to drive development, endeavors to provide customers with the most valuable products and services, thus became a benchmark enterprise leading the development of the industry. High standard planning and construction of intelligent factories, world-leading manufacturing technology, and high intelligence production lines. Notably, the manufacturing technology advances with the times. Plates and profiles rely on domestic high-precision intelligent laser cutting machines. Feeding and welding are replaced by robots, achieving unmanned assembly lines and production lines, CNC machining center, and automated electrophoretic coating line. Complete 4 major processes of raw material cutting, automated welding, post-weld processing, and electrophoretic coating. The multi-dimensional improvement of technology makes Dahan's products stand out. 23 years of putting the focus on tower cranes and construction elevators. 80,000 sets of full life cycle equipment operation experience, strict design and manufacturing standards. To keep up with technology, the overall design of tower cranes sets up in a non-linear limit status, and in the design of key components, anti-fatigue performance is considered as well as intelligent system update, making tower cranes users-friendly and efficient. 3 major advantages: modular design of the upper structure, over 60% general utilization rate for components of the upper structure of the same series, standard design of the tower body, providing multiple choices for the tower body. Different types of foundation modules could fulfill all kinds of customer requirements, providing customers with more options and exploring engineering potential. Also, updates and improvements have been made on elevators. On the basis of maintaining the safety protections of traditional lifts, drawing on the elevator technology, new intelligent technologies and safety protections are added. Continuous improvement and enhancement render our products more reliable and helpful. No matter what operating conditions and application scenarios it will face, Dahan always shows its prudent attitude. Until now, Dahan has launched the DH series tower cranes, laughing chip tower cranes, elevator products such as material elevators, shaft elevators, traction elevators, incline elevators, curved elevators, and intelligent construction elevators, combined super large gauges and industrial elevators, which are recognized by customers in home and abroad. Revolving around user needs in engineering and construction projects, medium and large-sized tower systems serves as a backbone. DH 1400 super large tower crane. The master section adopts the H-steel modular design. When the main jib H-steel remains unchanged, the section can meet different freestanding height of super large tower cranes below 3000 TM by changing the cross-section. The H620 tower crane. The modular combination of the master section buckle square and square tube tenon type master section achieves a modular tower body from 620 to different types of standard tower bodies. It is also possible to achieve modular combination of different series of products by changing the cross-section while keeping a single chip unchanged. DH378 tower crane. When using fish blade type master sections or modular combination, it is possible to achieve modular combination of different series of products by changing the cross-section while keeping a single chip unchanged. Under the working conditions of super high-rise buildings and urban village renovation, the Laughing Chip series is of utmost importance. Dahan Laughing Chip Tower Crane series products. They consist of the universal type of split master sections with the functions of external attachment, internal climbing, and external hanging. The boom has excellent lifting capacity and luffing speed. Besides, the boom can be disassembled in the air, and the chip luffing rope can be replaced without disassembling the entire machine, greatly improving work efficiency and convenience. Dahan Derrick Crane Series products. They are capable of step-by-step disassembly to achieve vertical transportation of the final single piece of construction elevators. Equipped with a planetary reducer, they have an ultra-short turning radius. And moreover, they can match universal mast sections of a certain height, making them adaptable to sites. Dahan also provides customer solutions to offer customers with better quality services. Dahan leads its development with wisdom and manufactures elevators suitable for different locations and even fields. Material construction elevator. It takes advantage of upper transmission mechanism with high safety performance and integrates four major functions, turning intelligent operation and control into reality. There is a monitoring display screen installed in the elevator, which can monitor the operation and fault information of the material elevator in real time, thus ensuring safe operation from multiple perspectives. As high-rise buildings and virus-shaped buildings appear, Dahan has developed more diverse, professional, and safe elevators to meet the needs of different groups. Shafted construction elevator, traction elevator. They are installed inside the elevator shaft of buildings and are a fully enclosed protection to enhance safety guarantee. The feature of direct access to the basement for construction improves the overall construction efficiency. Dahan shaft traction elevators show good performance in efficiency and safety, and also in comfort and stability that can rival formal elevators, while adding these user-friendly functions of voice broadcasting and one press to reach the designated floor. They have stable speed and efficient operation. The inclined and curved construction elevators developed by Dahan inject new vitality into modern building construction. Inclined construction elevator. The cage remains vertical during operation. The guiding track bracket can be installed and used at an angle according to the actual conditions of buildings, and the cage can be adjusted according to the angle of the mainframe to adapt to the diverse needs of customers. Curved construction elevator. At master section, the guiding track bracket is curved by using shapes. The cage is equipped with a rotatable bottom plate, which is intended to keep the bottom plate horizontal during the curved operation of the cage. And leveling, if needed, can be achieved through the screw lifting mechanism. Combined construction elevator with a large cage. The cage length is adjustable to successfully transport different goods and effectively reduce equipment costs. Dahan believes that, as a Chinese enterprise, it should care for employees and respect the customers, and more importantly, it should meticulously produce every product, provide customers with the most valuable products and services, offer world-class quality, take on the responsibility of helping Chinese enterprises going global. Our main products are distributed in more than 50 countries and regions around the world, including Europe, America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. Receive the positive reviews from global customers. Keep pace with the times and create more possibilities with wisdom.